mean, down my sock can't hold my block. We found like that shit. Turn it, can't like no bitch.
It's King Takeover. It's King Takeover. It's King Takeover.
Not that rock that beat. I mean, down my sock can't hold my block. We found like that shit. Turn it, can't like no bitch. My friends don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on fat, my car, I had it hurt. So my bitch broke back, I ain't had it hurt.
Yeah, that's us.
2:08 p.m. Gotta hear from her, ain't even fuck. Why? Nothing on me from sex, ain't never flat. Oh, nigga told me I'm broke dad. Dog, he killed dog, he ain't trying to look at my last two nights in the hood. Take who straight off, it's not good. Probably in some fast with the Glock in the hood. Horse that takes for the walk on the wood. First turn nigga for the hood, they pierce. Boy, cry about 5 years.
I hit the cones when I'm in the spirit. I got your bill and put on the mirror. First young nigga in the 18 mil, and 14 mil, starting 14 grams. Them boy niggas and diamonds and Tim's, your bill, that boy.
He's not what it is.
Take a fuck out here. Still make a double on my skin. That's back in 2018. Got some 20 if you out in the beat.
Not a regular time you say they pull up to this party though. But for my brother,
Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
Just look at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line to take. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping up guns and bumping my safe. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. I got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' strap the shit that you just put out. She got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't convert here. She ain't addicted to my underwear. Got up and got a step. I see they put me on memes and veins. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. They figures a year what it cost me. Don't only just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I flash your big word. To a place that she didn't do a beat. No, better to rain me and water my wrist. You know, kids how I'm talking my shit. Six nigga chick for a show and I'm lit.
take you to a place they call Brooklyn. I'm taking you to a place they call Brooklyn though.
All these social networks and these computers got these niggas walking around like they for sure. See them around like they're trying to bust.
Who run this? What up, man?
Cash out, they had a mother daughter. Call out my broski Gina and I call up the Judah. I just spit some.
Who remembers all about Elias weekend? May 28th to 31st. Houston! That bitch I'm headed to your city. So just some automotive city.
Me and JJ went for 50. Fill up the gas tank, it was empty. We heading out the villa.
Smoking for the bitch, I'm feeling funky.
Brand new shrimp. Bitch, I disgusting.
One thing about Shane exclusive.
If your nigga keep running you down on the phone, this bitch will listen to me, it's so sad, so I rhyme. But I want to fuck with you, I like you touch me, just don't get close to my nine. Cause so be on. If you do me wrong, and I'm paranoid, so I take a little seven. This bitch here a little bad, so the bitch to add me, this and I would never, yeah. And I know what
What type of shit my bitch like? What type of shit my bitch like?
if you get the act stupid, I'ma get the shooter, watch your body drop.
Bitch, look, Coco. Who back, baby? Who back, baby? Yeah, let me see some. Okay, look. You can't say pop and forget the smoke. I'm from the floors where niggas talk. They gotta be creative, so they turn from dropping through the veil, dropping the truth. I got a lot, I think they get shows. Straight like, really, it's really slick. I don't know. But I'm up, and I'm in that Bugatti, moving 200. Me and Trey, that's what I'm talking. Lay down. All you see is helicopters. Paradise, pick them up. They gon' send them to the doctor. I'm in love with the engine. Rubbing, get that. My Jesus.
straight to this place.
And she got a Louis bag.
After this party, we go straight to this place.
Okay.
I met her mama in the deli, hey, she was a wedding, hey, she was on ready, I was on it, heavy, hey, check why you so sexy, hey, fell in love when she met me, tell your ex to come check me, oh shit, hey, I met her mama in the deli, hey, she was a wedding, she was on ready, bitch, hey, she was so lit, bitch, bitch I get lit with, bitch I get lit with, I bitch fit, I'm the fucking big with, they love the style, send me the alley and run down, send me the alley and run down,
Bitch, you wanna leave us down? Street going on me line, I'm down. I still watch the street time, I did. I bought a woman, I ain't give mine. Bow. I bought a woman, I ain't give mine. Shoot with me, I got a mother, you cool with me. Say I ain't gay. What you doing with me? Yeah, I need the money and pee. Hey, bitch, tell me that she need me. Oh yeah, don't like the way you treat me. Hey, Biggie, I'm giving up my fingers. Hey, believe me. Freeze on the hit. Put your shoes on.
Sit up, never like you know it's what you packing with the automatics. We gon' send them to have it. Shorty, how it started. So shaking. She like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way that I move. She like clap for a nigga. She like clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga.
Ladies, one time.
Push the old to she like the way I Billy Jean, Christian Dior, I'ma be those goals. When it rains the balls, she like the way
What's up?
30 on me, buy the club, niggas know that I'm paid. With these niggas, cause niggas is gay. All in my page, sucking dick, all in my comments is screaming my name while I'm in the club, throwing them hundreds and 50s from bullshit. If I wanna hold up sexually fast, Cody got lots, I'm raising half, so my shoes call me bitch up.
Yes, ladies, I like gamers right now.
girl, I wanna see you burn, I throw a little money to burn, I don't really think you would burn, if you broke up, make that big booty twerk, make that big booty twerk,
Got it for the girls in the
you gotta touch that booty,
That nigga booty.
Big old tree. I'ma make him wait for the fruit. Shit is me, big old feet. Feet on the bed. I fuck him up in the head. So he did look in his eyes. And the next day I'm like,
swagged out.
Couple more levels.
In the trap house with the 42, I'm blowing my back out. Shit, to the back of the full clip. They say I'm the ruthless. I'm not shooting, they shooting. I'm gonna take that ruthless. I get niggas say they outside. Niggas say they outside. Send the alley, we gon' slide. Airing out when we arrive. Up in that shit, but they don't want to smoke. She like your girl when we flow, so I'm grabbing that bitch by the door. Niggas saying they outside. Send the alley, we gon' slide. Yo, he was talking, but he never jumped out the stool. He said, "See that blow and pop out the shoe." And they say I got the juice. I'm pulling the Dior, now that's when I rock for the shoes. What's this? Hot boy, you ain't in the face with top boy. Because I am like a cowboy. I'm the one that they be like cowboy. So bitches say
Make a move.
LLS. LLS, big up. Rumi, big up. Remember this about May 14th to the 16th, Friends for Life weekend. Right here says I'll be crazy. Remember TJ, May 7th, right here. It's at Virtual to y'all to be crazy, trust me. So, listen, Miller, we got a bunch. Where Joey? Where Joe at? Joe is the only nigga that can bring out Franco to a fucking Caribbean place. Franco, big up yourself, bro. We'll see ya. Miller, let me introduce them to dancehall. Let's go. Big up to my dancehall crew in the building one time.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong.
No, it's good. Dancehall set. This we don't leave here till the morning. Watch it. Let's go. Memorial weekend's gonna be crazy. That's a dance. Mr. Killer. Whoa. Big up to my spoilers crew. Ready. I ain't never scared. What's the vibe? Let's go. You see one thing about levels. We're not part of a certain kind of man. We don't deal with certain kind of people. Let me tell you one thing. Let's go.
Backstreet Boys, the need is the far from we. Now we know where they be now. Pussy away, body be a boina. Forever. Backstreet Boys, the need is the far from we.
And we simply got left. We love the pussy. Watch it. Let's go. Any second, come on. Hear this. Whoa. Let me tell you one thing. Let me go. Let me introduce them to dancehall. If you know, you know. What's the vibe? Talk to them. Miller, let me go. If you know the vibes, you know the success. New money, pick up. Watch it, let me go, let's go. Early shit. Bumbo all, we all lay down in our We got my Ari from in there. Big up Lisa, I put a building. Trust me, we're just getting started. Dance all going to the morning. Jehovah. Go tell mine. All right, Miller. Let me not fuck around. So you feel, boss? So you feel? Alright, let's go! Load it! Load it! Hey, yo, Franco! Welcome to Dance Hall! Welcome to Dance Hall! Ready! What's up? Hey, yo, Brumi! What we tell somebody?
Make you step like a centipede and take the lead in a war. I want them feel like them skin too tough for me. Hustle up me gun in a chance. Make you step like a centipede and take the lead in a war. Me no in a no long talking. Me dog a do the blood clot walking. And the barrel no must spin like a carry. Them a carry, them a be carry. Badness and the sure where you're sorry. You get no man noodle shot and feel scary. Yo! A barrel killer be balling. Let's see what's in the last. See you bring up like a party. And where them feel like
The skin too.
don't feel me.
Rush the ball, look at yourself.
Maybe step like a centipede.
Scratch that, Miller, let's go.
Joe! We are serving my brother, right?
Let me get back to the party, let's go. Sway. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Anybody disrespect the order, let me tell you. Not in my crew. Not in my crew. Let me tell you. All who say Gaza. All who say Gaza. All who say Gaza. message, right? MRB, big up. Lisa, big up. Let me point out some people. Talk about the nigga, Tony Light. Be careful when you call your friend. Be careful when you call your bro, your sis. What I tell you?
Give them your things and it's still on round and shoot you. Give them kind of friends. Give me as a tell you to prove your smooth. Father who I'm a son. I first class when I fly with the problem. Now use them. Prayers no answer. So we don't fuck them. Father who I'm a son. First class when I fly with the
We go sick on the message, right? You see the US, they call him a hater. You see the West Indies, let me tell you what we call them. Let me tell you. Yeah, Miller. That part of the night. Well, we send a message to them. Well, we send a message. You see them streets in Brooklyn? I'm a prepay wall. Bring up to my family, let's go. I'm a prepay.
Oh, girl, step up, go big up, bust the cylinder. I'm taking a lamp, I grab the window. With a blinding in a chest, bring a ninja. All of the strength in a index finger. Bust the cylinder, cooler than winter. Still me as a slip up, we never let the inch up. When them lights, they wanna pass by the sprinter. See that choke your tail, but man, king from the bust the cylinder. I lean on your bed, sugar and wrist on the kid, man, in the head. This fuck, we're not forgetting what I do. Then find nobody made up, and with your head. Man, bust the cylinder. Deal with your dread, push your eyes, never let your dinner on a check.
Respect everybody. And you're fucking being bigger. May 7, TJ Crazy. Let me turn up this motherfucker, right? Let me turn on, let's go!
You know that's my money, gaga. If I'm worried, you are defend my food. Free from some world, take talk. So one people like that, a fool. Bring a no farmer, you stand alone. Start preaching, start like all alone. Right now, we don't afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We don't afraid of nobody.
Shoot, we are shoot.
When you see me on the path of the picture,
Shoot, we are shoot.
put down your phone. Nobody call, crime stop. Jumbo will kill you, say God, the crime can't stop. One shot, don't shot. Did me shake
When there's a match up on the battlefield, it's where bury our dinosaurs. You can't beat me like a pig. That's the thing said. I bring my boss. When you say come, they can't defend themselves anywhere they go. But you know what I'm saying? You can't get in like your favorite. Nothing but your life. Anyway, they go here.
Hold on, the man. Big up bad Indian inside the place. Anybody else coming money after this, they gotta be at least $100 bill. That man give $100 pull up. TJ, May 7th, next week is gonna be crazy, trust me. First one, TJ gonna be the building Nella Vibes. Big up my good friend Nella Vibes. But in the meantime, big up better, let's go. MRB, big up. Lisa, Vegas, big up yourself, let's go.
No, we the same. You can't tune in with these things. We don't feel like a thing for these things. That don't mess with me. All I'm feeling is me getting paid. I'm with all the way. It looks like a scary name.
How about you feel? How about you feel? Welcome to dance hall. Ready? Let me get people party. Let's go. Let me make the people party. I represent a small alley called Brooklyn, New York. Big up to all my New Yorkers in the middle one time. Ready?
Sons of 90s, like a business with you, like a hollow body. Just for you, I'm gonna need more podcast.
Somebody told me Bronx was in the building. Watch out, kick goes. Are we in a rising? Remember Dexter, that was Mr. Killer gonna be here Memorial Weekend. And let's pick up yourselves. Monster, let's go.
Blessings all from the life. When I'm God for the journey, early so that's to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all from the right. But I'm not really great, so it's all the
Yeah, them wicked, them wicked, them wicked, them
Jesus Christ. May 7th, next week, TJ will be in the building. There's going to be a party. Look out for Savage Lifestyle June 4th. Remember, it's on Memorial Weekend. LLS, Dexter Docs, Mr. Killer. Look out for 14th to the 16th of May, Friends for Life Weekend, right? So Miller, drop it, man. Let's go. Every Saturday, every last Saturday of the month, right here, right? Let's go. When we touch down anywhere. Anywhere we touch down, give me ladies out. Wait on it up. Move flash out. Party just started, let's go. Watch them. Watch them. No, let me tell them.
And everybody know that what's the footstep. But the power you dead, them a push you. Some of you do them say, I'm never need you. Let them raise up. Let them say, yo, we don't want none of them footsteps for real. Why?
We don't make no friends.
Never stop. And Miller, and everybody know they real. Watch you pussy there. Them a power you dead, them a pussy for. No matter what you do, them say, you never need you. Let them raise up. Let them say, yo, we don't want none of them footsteps for real. And they a bad man thing I want. Me a hate that other one. So I do shit. No a long time, them a creep. When you come into my place, somebody can order. So I make little money, no a beer for. You see a monk that you go bring up no money. Them friends you go bring up no money. So, but put the gas all like a spot.
I'm still spreading small faces. Quick pop. No matter what in life.
Excuse me, no appearance.
Yeah. Me say pull up. So you know I'm gonna pull up for that. See? I know you pull up that. Big up LLS weekend, Memorial weekend. See? Big up the artists in the night place. Big up the artists in St. Vegas in the night place. See? Big up Lisa Hype in the night place. See? Miss Mineral Boss and BR Boss in the place. Big up yourself. See? Kayan, big up yourself. The whole neck and move. You understand? The whole LLS dance at Tian. See? Levels like a fire, you know. I'm so ready for play. Still, you understand? Yeah? Alright, but go on money for you. See? I remember TJ next week live in Houston. See? Mellow Vibe something. You understand? I'm never check this name, you know.
Joe, big up yourself. What is it? Next week, TJ, right here inside Houston. Bot Indian, big up yourself, right? Next week, Friday. First of watching y'all, TJ will be live inside Houston. Alongside my good friend Mellow Vibes. Yo, Mellow. Drop it, man. Let's go.
Goldfinger, Miller, One Nation.
Drop it. Let's go.
Big up the world, I use that Texas, same way. Hear that?
Levels, you can become a fucker around.
One Nation.
Next week, Friday. TJ, Octane, Nello, Benaji, Arsenal. Hey, yo, Joe, final entry. Come on. All right. to it. Anybody celebrating a birthday? Y'all do what? Let's say we'll give away a ticket for one of these ladies. Let me play some songs for the ladies. Let's play some more for the ladies. Bubble your body for the up top boss. Let me give away this ticket number. It's not your birthday move. Let me see your ID. She living it up and she out there. Doing it with no fear. Hey. Bubble your body for the up top boss. What, the ladies don't want to see TJ? Savage. Rifle. Bring your Scott. Now we turn on the ladies, let's go. Empress, come here. Listen, 2 hours ticket giveaway. 2 decks of that ticket giveaway.
Everyone show young, keep a fire blazing. Even the team take over. Seeking order. I will represent for team take over. Red Bombs.
Mr. Sonic, aka Dr. Evil, representing for Team Takeover. It's Takeover, Engage representing now.
Team Takeover, know yourself, yeah.
It's Team Takeover, baby.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on me when I was trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying?
Everyone show you before you blood.
I used to read Word Up magazine, something better and heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rappers like Mr. Magic on the right through my tank top, smoking weed and getting boots, sipping on non-stop. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack, I had the hat to match. Remember rapping, dude? The hard, you never got the end time. But then it's fall. Cause I run tight, time to get paid, blow up like the world trade.
Everyone show you before you blood.
I'm blown up like you thought I would. Call the prince, say me the same word. It's all good. And if you don't know, you never know.
Everyone show you before you blood.
Yo. Check. 1, 1. Because the whole lot of people in there, Houston, in there, my skin. Yeah. Because the whole lot of New York and them in that place. Yeah. Because Houston massive. Well, light go. Alright, thank you. No say badness there. I'm not sure Houston, but it's bad everywhere we go. Let me have this time.
Just got about the windows in time.
I know my skin Houston cooking. Because one of the artists that when I play, this is the other speak of myself. Sinachi, one boss, speak of myself. Lisa, I'm a big of myself. FBI boss. Right now we're a party, New York style in Houston. You understand? You know what it's joyous? Free up straight. Ready?
Locked up, it won't let me out.
Big up myself. Come on, Flosser.
Shit stress me out. Give me a bail and can't
Yo, Kevin.
When I'm headed to the county, gotta do a bit.
Yo, shout out my nigga Fred Star, who are New York. Yo, my nigga Vito, what up?
The clothes is orange. The phones is purple, the phone is
A
garbage.
young kid of altar, the African them altar.
That's piece the same, I still murk your manses. Rub money to rap money, work advances. Niggas ran a told that should've murked the Kansas. Nigga pop for a murder attempt. Knocked me on D block when I was first.
What thing about the African them when they rape them? Look at this and that's so good. What up, youngster?
What up, homie?
Only if you make real money. You know when the block pocket setting. Every hustler light up this blood clot, you know. Will make a move.
Video, personnel, jaw close. Go easy. You know what you say? I'm Brooklyn, New York juggling. Alright, we're gonna start from this one. Big up the whole LLS family. You see me? Big up all of the entertainers that come in Mr. Vegas. They don't know. Sis Lisa Hyper. You know what I say? NBR boss. You know what you got? Dinner chick, old boss. They don't know. I make a move. I end the thing and I say, Joe Young. Member set. Member good. And I mean, it's set here for me in high school. Say, youth, trouble. I'm proud of you. See me? So you know the thing go. Make a move to the world, huh? Up next.
Like me say, every hustler in here. Everybody will go for make money going in the air. You start going to the shadow. I think I'm big next. One nation. Real niggas.
Yo. Listen, my apologies from the art. We are Houston, no? So you have to pick up the whole team from Houston. We'll start from XS Global, Level Sound, Famous Squad, everybody, you don't know it. None of us, big up yourself. You see me, I say, no money representing, you see me, Boba Flassa, you know, the whole team, Chopper Rebel, you know the thing, spoilers to the world.
You know the badness stuff I know you're shit to Houston. LLS weekend. See, they know say me a fuck up that dog. I think I'm big mix. With the wire. Hallelujah. Why the church? Under God. Real niggas getting money from the first start. I think I'm big. Me up Texas. You notice from me there anywhere me got the knock his blood clot, did they? Cause I can't see it me there.
Social network. Got his name.
We don't mind the focus on the crowd.
I see them on the level like they tryna bust me nose. Like pussy told us like they tryna bust me nose. Like pussy told us saying shit from their computer. Cash out they had them over $1.
Yo, Flex Star, what up? Yo, Vito, what up? Yo, Flex Star, yo, Vito, what up?
Let's fuck one more time. If a nigga keep running you down, put your phone D and pay him a fine. And this bitch really listen to me and it's so sad, it's so out of line. But I don't the fuckery. Just don't get close to my nine.
Yo, Mr. Chick,
That's what he's on. I'm feeling weird.
we're not foreign now, so I'll be a final drive. Got it.
Yeah, and I'm
From the gear to the gear, to the shoes, I'll be a foreign.
Make a fool of love, all the time. Perky all the time, she do it. What's for us? That make her one of us. They get some smoking points. That's my name is Snows.
Let no outside go on the outside noise.
Rolling from Valley, talking, I'm screaming, I'm doing.
Big up everybody when you say your
For the
outside.
perk over time. Niggas say me outside. Niggas say me outside. Send the alley, we gon' slide.
Yo.
Air it out when we arrive. Poppin' that shit, but they done with the smoke. She like it rough when we fuss, so I'm grabbing that bitch by the throat. Niggas say me outside. Send the alley, we gon' slide. Heard he was smoking, but he never jumped out the scope. They tell me sweet till I pull up and pop out his shoe. And they say I got the juice. I bought the Dior, now that's what I rock for the shoes. Hey, hot boy, you ain't in the field, you're a top boy. We gon' tie that boy up like a cowboy. I'm the one that they envy like cowboy. Broke bitches sing aloud. She wanna fuck with real niggas like a stop. I ain't no window shopping. Yeah, man, I ain't window shopping. I be on the stairs, and no, we ain't window shopping. She throw it back cause I'm popping. I make you play with her, we run it back like an option. Niggas say we outside. Niggas say they outside. Say me alley, we gon' fly.
God.
Me no love man, so they try to yap for me. See him that's why yap for me. When they love yap for me. Yes, so she fight yap for me. I love you any time, can I mind her? He said me have to do it, me my yap.
Come on, pull up. Hey, let's weekend, come on. Yeah.
Me no love man, so they try to yap for me. I feel see him that's why yap for me. When they love yap for me. I'm not instant vibe, so she fight yap for me. I love you any time, can I mind her? He said me have to do
We got people that know say you're gangster, but we have to talk too loud to prove it. Yeah, come and tell them.
You know, people don't listen. Them know say them know me.
The girl never know say a bitch can't box you and get your gun in your ear.
Why just with the air man down? You say the pussy happy day. That's with the alien one. Papa just got a dinner devil. Yeah, man. Man in a real life. Man in a real life. Man in a real life. You know, see now who are in tree life. When you hear room, I don't think we specialize. In that way, I could be.
Yes, money rebel.
Lots of money. Right. Come on,
There's a Lexus blocking right in the front. Kaya, link up. There's a Lexus blocking right in the front. Kaya, right in the front. You're blocking somebody, please, on time.
Just live the slow proper life with big jazz and big vibes.
When you say blue, you do what final part.
Big money popping in your mother. Big money popping in your mother. Big money popping in your mother. Big money popping. Some of them there. Some of them there. I'm not gonna say the shit of them there. But you can say like I'm there.
Big eye. Also, we are also.
Some of them
From where you don't put me food, you don't put me pick me food. Gunshot and fire.
We both said hard to money, I think hard to the mark. Burn like a shot. What big body in your heart? I mean, so I'm far when you go by. Feel like you smoke your skin. I don't think I'm the video shine for me. Serious shot talk. Can you big up yourself? Big up everybody with there. Hey, so let me make them know. I saw serious blood clot fight against. Me get people call and say dance on the flap. Me get people call and say dance on the kick. Me get man call me and say me gonna get gunshot if me keep party. Like me fear that gunshot and me a big bad man. Pussy suck your mother, let me tell you this.
Everyone joy young, keep the fire blazing.
Joy young, take over. Let it go. The exclusive my scheme, use that. I don't know, so you're not afraid of people. Not alone of police. Let me out. Right out. And the pussy them too bad man too.
Eat up my flesh.
So you are clean and you don't worry about bumbo club people.
Johnston, we now where we go then. And me as you come on the ground, so fish out swim. The man I want the house, I know I'm on the mountain. They get my first girl when I was around then. They can tell me about coming, no one tell me about them.
I never born with ghost spoon in my mouth. I never born broke near the pussy.
Well, family, I've been a hustler. All the paper shoes, no time to stop. You know me rise to the top like a paper. No boy never touch me money. Me never yet friend. No follow people, me never said. Can you see the 60 body girl? Them well from them. You know like me no buy it. You know this thing that's so mega, that's so mega, that's so mega. Do me one thing I'm in the follow back. I'm gonna chew me track my own apart. That's why the boss in the boat class. I like them. I saw me say, I saw me say, I saw me say. I can make chat my own. That's why the girl them a overload. Alright, if you not.
One thing why me love Houston. Anytime you see me, I'm in front of them. What ones?
Man steady with the magic. Anyway me see the enemy, me clap it to God. Steady up, one break. Anyway me outside and I'm gonna sleep. Say the thing here, we know rabbit. You know what I'm saying?
Like me say, we have some surprises in our building. We have some guests in the building. Video man, yeah man, right key. You know the thing. Me not tell you off work, you not tell you off select, so I'm gonna stop telling you off the video. Because the video man come on my blood clot a while ago. I said, my relative, man say, yo, Joe, you know, this is VIP, you know, stop telling you off the blood clot video. Video man, John here, you understand? So right now, the NBR boss. We friend, you know, one boss, one lady boss. Same. Actually, the big weekend I come up with Dexter Gaps, Dovey Magnum. You understand? May 21st to the 23rd, Chanel Mural. You know, Miami, Florida. No? You understand? West Palm Beach, same thing. For Western Florida, Florida. For the flyer post, we are going to find it. West Palm Beach for the 21st to the 23rd. You understand? Dexter Gaps, Dovey Magnum, Chanel Mural. You understand? NBA boss, we are going to say same. So we don't say, you want to talk to people, the people, they want to know who is you and who you think about and this and this and that and that. And you're going to tell them the things that say. Okay, cheer.
Good night, people. Introduce myself, family, but first and foremost, I want to give thanks and praise to the Most High. God, you know my struggle, know my pain, know my everything. Second, my name is T. Mineral Boss. I am a record label producer out of Caymanas Bay, Jamaica, Spanish Town. My husband is Mineral Boss. Deceased now. Me now carry on the legacy. So, we produce a hit single by my father and a hit rhythm. Money Boss rhythm. You see, from 2016 to the last 5 years, me are the most consistent female in the industry, keeping stage shows and all kind of events and all holy parties. So, through the pandemic now, we kind of shine bright
fighter, but me never stop. Always persistent and consistent. Lisa, I big up yourself. Vegas, you are a part of my legacy. You know why? In my video, when you shoot from ground. So you know, say that Oliver history in your care. Big up yourself. Mighty Joy Young. Artist in culture. People, Houston, Texas, Excess Global, dancer, Oliver, big up on yourself. But me, are the progress part. So watch out, Joy Young, do a thing like this, you know.
Just link up with the gang.
It's time.
Boss. They don't go this time, progress.
With you, international progress. Man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. That's another progress. Now they must go. I just for them come down.
That's how it goes on. Just link up with the gang, boss. They don't go this time, progress.
When I'm alone with you, international progress. Man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. That's another progress. Now they must go. I just saw them come down. Ask where your bread come from. I chill from them, want see man head bang. I don't nice like them, want see who they from. Nah, them can't cheat me and kill me, me can't dance. They must know about the news, see them, man, see them.
Right, that's how you for the video, man. Don't ramp with me thing. Remember, me's a pastor, not a basket. Look at that. Star, you know. Vegas, big up yourself. Lisa, I. One go. Kedan, Mighty Joy Young. So as you know, me is a progress. And everything we do is progressive. Progress. Another thing me say ambition. So you see through me act. Mighty Joy Young. Drop that one and make them see what I want. Jiggy Young, big up yourself. Right?
What do you guys want MBR? Mineral Bass. Jiggy Youngs. You know what I'm the toughest sound in Florida, Jamaica. Mineral Bass from Jamaica. Alright, people done. Legacy still a carry on, that's strong, that's all. Excuse me, not be a guy. MBR, see qualification. What do you got? Mineral Bass. Jiggy Youngs. You know what I'm the toughest sound in Florida, Jamaica. Mineral Bass from Jamaica. Alright, people done. Legacy still a carry on, that's strong, that's all. Excuse me, not be a guy. MBR, not see qualification. Never. Posting about e-bikes. Gas over 8 grand. Jiggy Youngs of the same lounge. With the class of a street man. MBR, why own a Ferrari? We know where to park it. Why shall I be? Them a see it. Them no friend if you tell me. Back down your empty. Jiggy, haters all the markets. Leave your wife for your masses. That's inside your brain. Try to know that beat too. Falling over flat. What is that? We are. Jiggy Youngs. You are my raps. The toughest sound in Florida, Jamaica. Mineral Bass from Jamaica. Alright, people done. Let me see that carry on, that's strong.
Yeah, stop. Watch your right.
Excuse me, not be a guy. MBR, not see qualification. Posting on my patient. From the now your patrons. Posting about e-bikes. Gas over 8 grand. Jiggy Youngs of the same lounge. With the class of a street bus. MBR, why own a Ferrari? We know where to park it. Why jump on the wheel? Here is a target. Mineral Bass with the face. Them a fit, them a see it. Them go get them a candy. I love your hand.
Anyway, big up yourself. A nice party in Houston. May 7th. My 2-star artists that are acting and TJ in the place. So come check out the show. In my Mineral Bass stamp and support that. Me and Massacre Orlando May 15, which is in Orlando, Florida, and the Dexter Dabs Dovey Magnum Chanel tour. May 21st through the 23rd. West Palm Beach, no good. What? West Palm Beach, no good again. Anyways, Lisa, I draw me. TJ, up top bar. Gaza first lady. Gaza
your dumpling. Hey, do your thing. Hey, do your thing. Gaza Lee, do your first. Hey.
So Joya, through your mighty. So through Joya mighty, through your mighty, tease me. Cause the weed man, them not tease you. Through Joya mighty, play the rhythm. Yeah. Put your money where your mouth there. And I know what I just say. No, you say you pull up a cat there. Say you are money in that shit. After Texas, tell them to fry up. Be a acne when we step out there. So all the pussy man out there wanna say, put your money where your mouth there. And you feel alright. Go big there. Now I'm a kid there. Go on with all the years I there. That shoot there. Match way down. Pretend to be a by Friday. The years have been done by Saturday. Yes, I used to see that man out there. Check it out. God no boy, pull up a chat, pull up a link, pull up a that, pull up a this, pull up a money, we. Where all of the champion bubble of them there? Remember? Yes, champion bubble of them Texas. These are idea champion bubble. We are champion bubble. Texas girl, them a champion bubble. Them a champion bubble. Check it out. Woman want to know how we do it like that. We got pussy on the body like that. If we jump off of the cocky, we won't try back it. How we do it like we didn't know say a bad long time, you know. But it's like we forget. We get a cool reminder tonight. You know normal. You know normal. You fire like a M16. And big up yourself every time. Big up yourself. Real legend. Mineral boss. You there? Life in living colors. Real boss. Never cool one. Freestyle. New stuff. I'm going to take it down. I'm going to listen. Right? All over the world, a girl pussy travel go. She no want no money cause she just no fuck. Little way she get it could have hole in her cup. Oh, your pussy good and nobody no tell you so. Only you must say I wanna go. Never repeat yourself. Alright. All over the world, a girl pussy travel go. You know nothing cause you just no fuck. Little way she get it could have hole in her cup. Oh, your pussy good and nobody no tell you so. And I know say your pussy good and a man tell you say your pussy good and she a come so. Cause some girl them no man not tell them say your pussy good enough. And say praise is no recommendation. Right? Never. My pussy never ever shut a man yet. Never ever shut a man yet. Your pussy never ever shut a man yet.
My artist and in the
muscle. Everybody with street muscle. What you on there? Jamaican and Caribbean people, do ya? Hallelujah, joy your muscle. Hallelujah, joy your I'm trying you. Hallelujah, bad mind. We don't want no friend from them. We don't want no friend from them. Pull up. Big up police side. See? Mama, big up yourself, you know. Mineral boss, I'm a family for life, you understand me? I say, yeah. See? Big up on yourself, you know, people come support Joe Young, and so I say, because you know, so me happy there, you understand, because we have Joe Young tour the world and a good youth, you understand me? I say. So all over here, Joe Young, see? Big up on yourself there. You understand? So we go party, come on, Joe Young, give them 2 more now. Yeah, give them to them for this. Alright, start move again. Everybody start move. Bring yourself. But everybody's on take for yourself. Man, you need to take for yourself. Speak with it and take for yourself. And you just take for yourself. Because somebody bad mind, take for yourself, take bad mind. Police are gonna be bright line, it's a big bright line. So when you see wicked people, take for yourself. When you see nasty people, take for yourself. Party, take for yourself. Pull up. You're about 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock now in the morning. So make you have to go daggering for girl, you know. Go daggering for them. Ready, you know. When we put on them, they forward a wine. Every good body girl just don't go cause of your time. Man, from the city, well, you can't let's see how you wine. And I like it, you want cause you want to be ready, no. Rock it up. What? Yo! Check it, man.
Do remember this Friday, right? DJ, yo, Mellow Vibes. We know say Rich just extend my ticket and give me a money now and put it on the show. No thing, they must spend the boost here now, you know. You understand? Just extend the ticket. Friday I dance, you need a DJ like Joe. Straight. See? Just extend the ticket and give me a food. You know the band is already. See? So right about now, I bring to you Houston's own. You understand? Houston's own. I'm a brother in real life. Dinachi.
Yeah, let's unload this Monday. I might play future and I'll make up yourself. New money. What are you doing? Ready. Me up, breathe. And you go to me up. Me up, you want to think. Let me go. Ready. Me up, breathe. And you go to me up. You said I might blood clot. What is it? What's happening? What is Ready. One pass. I don't know you spend money, but give it one more time now. From the place, you know. Joy Young, our one. LLS, luxury lifestyle. NBR, it's a fucking lifestyle. This life, I mean, you're not you one boss. It's a Vegas. Take up your stand. What you do, our one? You are pretty, you are the money, you are. Let's go ahead, you are pretty. Luxury lifestyle, our one, no. Jump me up, you are one. I know about this. Why we got that? You don't really work. You are the one, man. You are make up. I never show them on the lyrics. I never show them on the lyrics. I look at you and say, well, I know about this 4 corners, spoilers thing we think there. Turn it up now. Don't bad boy, you better do it, you know. We move out, stuff like that, and I would jump in. So then feel, you because I got that, we say make a move at the foot, never. Don't come to you, you want to swing one another. Girl, you want you, never. Watch your boss style. Watch out. One pass, I'm going to you.
make hard. Paper your years hard. Hustle every day, oh my. And a general, my talks them a hunt for the money life in a new year. Like this and for this, people are fine, they come and get for this. Look at me, yes, so happy. Alright, my talks them a hunt for the money in a new year. Like this and for this, people are fine. Big I am you, man. Mix. You are very challenged, not a nice one. Cash flows in a bank, love like sun. When you look, where me coming from, every time me fall, then I have a great plan. Start you up, I'm in the right hand. Only man I made, now she have me.